By following these steps, you can manage your expenditure and expenses and purchases. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create a new account. 2. Once logged in, locate the Finance tab in the left side menu and click on it. This will take you to the Financial Management section. 3. Inside the Finance tab, you will find an Expenditure List option in the left side menu. Click on it to view your existing expenditures. 4. The Expenditure List will display a list of your expenditures, including both expenses and purchases. Each entry in the list will show relevant details such as the date, amount, and description of the expenditure. 5. To manage your expenditures, you have the following options. Edit. If you need to modify any details of a specific expenditure, find the Edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or an Edit button, located next to that particular entry in the list. Click on the Edit icon to make changes to the expenditure. This will allow you to update the date, amount, description, or any other relevant information. Delete. If you want to remove an expenditure from the list, locate the Delete icon, usually represented by a trash can or a Delete button, next to the respective entry. Click on the Delete icon to delete the expenditure. Confirm the deletion when prompted. View. If you want to view the details of a specific expenditure, look for the File icon, usually represented by an eye or a View button, next to that entry. Click on the File icon to view the expenditure details. This will provide you with a comprehensive view of the expenditure information. To add a new expense or purchase. 6. In the top right corner of the page, you will find buttons specifically designed for adding expenses and purchases. Click on the relevant button based on whether you want to add an expense or a purchase. When adding a new expense, fill out the necessary forms with the required information such as the date, amount, description, and category of the expense. Make sure to enter the accurate details. If you are adding a purchase, provide the relevant information such as the date, amount, description, and category of the purchase. Ensure that the information is accurate and complete. Once you have provided all the necessary details, click on the Submit button to save the expense or purchase. Your new entry will be added to the list of your expenditures. 7. It's important to note that not all of your expenditures will affect your taxation. If you want to check your taxation details. 8. Move to the Taxation tab located above the Expenditure List tab. Click on the Taxation tab to access information related to your taxation. In the Taxation section, you can review and analyze the impact of your expenditures on your taxation. It will provide you with relevant information and calculations related to your tax obligations based on the recorded expenditures.